Welcome back again to the channel. Today's video is the part 2 of using Afro Kinky Buck Woman hair from Elfinhair. If you watched my previous video, I said I bought 5 packs. I personally used 3.5 for my hair and 1.5 for my daughter. So this is the video where I used 1.5 for my daughter. I already gave a full review of this hair. If you want to know more about this Afro Kinky hair from Elfinhair, you will want to watch my previous video. I love this hair so much because it is very easy to work with, even for a child. It is so soft and you can add to it or increase the length. It is awesome. You can see how it blends so well with my daughter's fussy hair. Very perfect. And next, I'm gonna be moisturizing her hair with my hair conditioner, and I think the video is self-explanatory, so sit tight. Let's braid Imisi's hair. Well, we're actually doing twisting just like I did in my previous video, and it is awesome. My DIY shea butter is almost finishing. I felt like let me use the whole thing before making a fresh one. So this shea butter has been saving lives since forever. If you want to know how to make that shea butter, I've also attached a link in the video description. It's awesome, and I'm also going to be using jam to get the sections. So the method I'm using here to braid the roots is the usual method I use for children, because I don't want it to hurt them while gripping from the root. I started with that, and then I transitioned into twisting the hair. In some places I started adding to the extension because it was short. I wanted the length to be equal, so you will see me adding extension and also twisting it. This came in 18 inches, so I thought it was perfect because I think when I was doing mine, I added to mine to extend the length, and my daughter's also I added just a few to extend the length, I think in the middle and also at the back, just to make the whole hair equal. All right, lovelies, we are done with Imisi's hair. Looking good. And this is what is remaining from 2 packs. Also went ahead to condition her hair. Everything I did with my hair, I did the same with her hair. So nothing different. Added conditioner, trimmed the tips, which I'm gonna be showing in a bit right there. And then I also applied coil marks. I think, oh yeah, I applied an leave-in conditioner and then coil marks. So yeah, it is awesome. We did like mom-daughter hairstyle and we were both looking pretty. I did a few styling with the hair. Yeah, like this one. Just trying so many styles out and think this one is awesome. This was few days after, I think about 2 to 3 days thereabout. We had an occasion and I styled it into a different style, giving Imisi a very good look. And I love this one because I just came up with this style. It was awesome, beautiful. Pretty Missy is looking beautiful, honestly. So you can style the hair like I showed in my own video. I mean, anywhere you tilt the hair to, it will obey. Honestly, it will go that direction because it's like your hair. It's like your natural hair. It just stays. Honestly, look at this one. Well, thank you so much for watching today's video. Until I see you again next time, remember, blast.